Dear aspirants, UPSC enthusiasts, and future civil servants. Today, I want to talk about something that every successful candidate swears by: NCERT books. These books are not just another set of study materials, they are the backbone of UPSC preparation. Year after year, toppers strongly recommend them as an inevitable resource for building a strong foundation. Let's understand why they are truly indispensable. 1. Authentic and reliable content. NCERT books are published by the National Council of Educational Research and Training, NCERT, a government body that ensures accuracy, credibility, and conceptual clarity. Since UPSC values reliable sources, these books serve as the best starting point for every aspirant. 2. Conceptual clarity. One of the biggest challenges in UPSC preparation is understanding complex topics in a way that allows clear, analytical thinking. NCERTs break down concepts systematically, making them easy to grasp. Whether it's history, geography, polity, economy, or environment, these books lay a solid conceptual foundation that helps aspirants tackle even the toughest questions. 3. Easy to understand. Unlike many bulky reference books, NCERTs use simple and lucid language. This makes them accessible even to beginners. Before diving into advanced sources, reading NCERTs ensures that you build a strong base, making further learning much more effective. 4. Direct questions in UPSC prelims and mains. It is no secret that UPSC frequently picks direct questions from NCERT textbooks. Year after year, toppers have emphasized that a thorough reading of NCERTs help them answer both factual and analytical questions with confidence. When the Commission itself relies on these books, why shouldn't you? 5. Syllabus overlap with UPSC. A significant portion of the UPSC syllabus is directly covered in NCERTs. Whether it's ancient and medieval history, geography, economics, or science and technology, these books ensure that aspirants are not missing out on essential topics that frequently appear in the exam. 6. Useful for multiple stages of the exam. NCERT books are not just helpful for the prelims, they are equally valuable for mains as well. The structured explanations provided in these books help aspirants write clear, well-organized answers with conceptual depth, an essential skill for scoring high in the mains examination. Now, let us hear the words from the toppers themselves. What do UPSC toppers say about NCERT books? Their experiences and insights will only reinforce why these books should be at the core of every aspirant's preparation strategy. Animesh Pradhan, AIR2, UPSC 2023. NCERT books helped me build a strong foundation and simplify complex topics during my preparation. Ayan Jain, AIR 16, UPSC 2023. I focused on multiple readings of NCERTs, creating concise notes and regular revisions to enhance retention and understanding. Akansha Singh, AIR 44, UPSC 2023. Thorough engagement with NCERTs was crucial for me, as they clarified fundamental concepts essential for the exam. Ishita Kishore, AIR 1, UPSC 2022. NCERTs provided me with conceptual clarity, making it easier to grasp advanced topics later in my preparation. Garima Lohia, AIR 2, UPSC 2022. I relied on NCERTs as my primary source for building a strong foundation before moving on to reference books. Uma Harthi N, AIR 3, UPSC 2022. Reading NCERTs multiple times helped me strengthen my basics and improved my answer writing skills. Smriti Mishra, AIR 4, UPSC 2022. NCERT books simplified my preparation by providing structured and easy-to-understand content. Mayur Hazarika, AIR 5, UPSC 2022. A thorough reading of NCERTs gave me an edge in both prelims and mains by reinforcing fundamental concepts. Shruti Sharma, AIR 1, UPSC 2021. NCERT books were my go-to resources for building a strong conceptual foundation, especially for subjects like history, geography, and polity. Ankita Agrawal, AIR 2, UPSC 2021. I relied on NCERTs for their clarity and structured content, which helped me understand the basics before moving to advanced materials. Gamini Singla, AIR 3, UPSC 2021. NCERTs played a crucial role in my preparation as they provided simplified explanations and a strong base for current affairs linkage. Aishwarya Verma, AIR 4, UPSC 2021. A thorough reading of NCRTs, followed by regular revisions, helped me retain concepts effectively and answer questions with confidence. Utkarsh Dwivedi, AIR 5, UPSC 2021. NCRT books helped me develop a structured approach to learning, making complex topics easier to grasp. Anudeep Durishetty, AIR 1, UPSC 2017. NCRT books are the best foundation for UPSC preparation. I read them multiple times, which help me understand the basics clearly. Aspirants must read them before moving to advanced books. Tina Dabi, AIR 1, UPSC 2015. I read NCRTs at least 2 to 3 times to strengthen my conceptual clarity. They are a must-read for every serious aspirant. Kanishk Kataria, AIR 1, UPSC 2018. UPSC expects aspirants to have a strong grasp of fundamental concepts, and NCRTs provide just that. They cover the syllabus comprehensively and in a structured manner. Pradeep Singh, AIR 1, UPSC 2019. NCRT books provide conceptual clarity in the simplest way. I focused on them in the initial months of my preparation, and they helped me build a strong foundation. Nandini KR, AIR 1, UPSC 2016. NCRT books were my primary source for building basic knowledge. They are authentic, to the point, and essential for smart preparation. These insights reaffirm that NCRT books are not just important but absolutely indispensable for UPSC preparation. They serve as the bedrock upon which a strong conceptual understanding is built, simplifying complex topics and ensuring clarity. The consistent endorsement by toppers year after year underscores their significance. If those who have excelled in the exam swear by them, every serious UPSC aspirant should make them a non-negotiable part of their preparation journey. Thank you and best wishes for your UPSC journey. Subscribe to this channel for exclusive topper insights, expert strategies, and the smartest IAS preparation tips. Stay ahead in your journey to success.